Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can insert a board view database in Notion. So what you're going to do is open up a new page and click inside that page and make sure you get this prompt where it says write something or press space for AI/for commands. We're going to hit the / and we're going to type in board view. Once we do that, we'll get this little drop down where it says board view. Click on that and you're going to see this database populate. Now, I created a video a while back talking about the table database, and I use that as my foundation to go over a lot of these menu items over here. And you can always check out that video so that you can understand those. But for this, I'm just going to go over these down here because that's really what's different as far as every time you pick a new database. So it's usually this down here. A lot of this up here in the main menus stays the same. What we're going to do is we're going to look down here. We can see that this is set up kind of like a bulletin board where you have your columns of things and you can move things once they've become in progress or once they're done. So we have our section of things not started, are in progress, and done. Now, at the not started, you can see we have 3 cards already here. You can click on these 3 little dots if you want to hide a group or you want to delete the pages, or you can create a new page. Once you click on this plus sign, you'll create a new card, and then this number will change because you have a new card. So we can say film, video, and you can see that now we have that on our list. Now, next to each card, you have the option to edit. Once you click edit, you can open in a side peek and it'll give you its own little page. Now you have the status you can enter if it's not started, in progress, done, or you can assign it to someone if you have more people in your network, or you can add some type of property, which I also have gone over in previous videos. Or you can write a little note down here and then you can close it out and then it'll be saved. If you need to do anything as far as these actions, if you need to duplicate it, if you need to delete it, if you need to move it somewhere else, you would just click the little 3 dots here. If you need to add a new page, you could also go down here and add one. And then when you're done something, you can just click and drag it into the in progress too. So this makes it kind of quick instead of if you have a lot of things going in and individually going in and changing the status on each page. This is how you use the board view database in your Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.